opinion, we've got a warm and friendly place.
Aloha, my name is Hannah Hurd. As the Guest Relations Manager, I would like to thank you for choosing to service your vehicle at the Tony Group Autoplex. Please allow me to explain the drop-off and check-in process at our service locations. All planned maintenance and services are assigned a drop-off time. These can be scheduled by calling and speaking with a guest services agent, or by using our online scheduling tool available on our websites. It is recommended that you arrive as close as possible to your drop-off time. Being too early could mean you'll need to wait, and arriving late could result in losing your spot in line. When you arrive at the dealership, you will be greeted by a member of our service team and begin the check-in process. At this time, your assigned service advisor will meet with you to discuss your vehicle concerns. Then your factory-trained service advisor will walk around the vehicle with you to do a visual inspection. Based on what was seen and discussed during the check-in process, your service advisor will determine which services are best suited for your vehicle's needs and assign an expertly trained technician to take care of those needs. This allows us to provide an estimate as to when your vehicle will enter the shop and approximately when it will be ready for pickup. Following this check-in helps us to ensure that we continue to provide the top quality service you expect and the grief-free experience you deserve. At the Tony Group, we seek to create long-term, lasting relationship with guests like you. On behalf of the entire team, thank you for choosing the Tony Group Autoplex. We look forward to seeing you. Mahalo and have a great day.